Yo, what's up producers? This is Alien Chaos and this is a series of video making Hitech on Bitwig. This first episode, it's all about kick, so we're going to create a kick from scratch. Let's go! Okay, so let's set up our project. So I'm gonna write on 150 BPM. Okay, and to create a kick, I'm going to use a new device called Zappy Kick. The sound is very good. You can make very nice kicks with this device. Okay, so I'm going to restart just by adding a MIDI note here. C3 116 note, okay, just to trigger, and then make a loop. You see, no, you hear, but we're gonna see also through the spectrogram. We can already have this zappy kick feeling. Okay, that's nice for Psytrance. Okay, to show up the difference and stuff, I'm gonna use shaper box with oscilloscope, because I like this. I think so. Now we can see exactly what we are doing. So this is release, and this is a gate. So the gate gonna use the MIDI to make this kick length, okay? And then we have a release that going to make after it. But usually I like the kick very tight in the mix, so I'm gonna make the release on 0. That's no problem, no click, no artifacts in the very end. Okay, and here we have the tuning, zap, which I think is the initial pitch. And this is the decay. The curve. Okay, I'm going to use on master also the Vision 4X. Okay, gonna use like this. Now I can reference both things. I think this is a nice starting point, which what I'm looking. I'm not looking for this especially zappy kick, but we can do, okay. But I will make a classic Psytrance, but not so much zappy, okay. Just for this tutorial, okay. It's nice to make something different. We also have advanced controls here, if you, or maybe just this. We have like pitch modulation, which is kind of overall pitch, okay. Frequency modulation, which changes a lot of the character, but the most useful I think is the phase modulation. So we can easily just only change the phase of the kick to match with the bass line later. So this is gonna be very helpful soon when we start to work with the bass line also. Okay, so this is the kick, but now we need to shape this kick because it's super flat, as you can see. So to do this, I'm gonna create a device to shape this volume. Okay, I can definitely use the shaper box, but I'm going to make everything inside Bitwig, just to show up the potential of this software. It's super nice. Okay, so now I open up FX Grid. Okay, and here I have input and output volume, so I can put things in between this, and it's going to be very easy. I just go to envelope and drop a segment into this, and I already have this volume shape. Okay, so I'm going to start this. I'm going to make a shape as I want. As you can see, it's changing over time. I prefer to leave this off because then the result is more solid. Okay, and I need to also change for 16 notes maybe. Yes, then I have much more control. So you see, it's like Kick 2 or any other plugin to create kicks. This way I make a dip in the mid part of the kick, making it a little bit more soft, then gonna fit better on the mix. Super easy. I can also, if I hold Option, I can use curves, which I think it's nicer. Let's work with the end of the kick. I think that already sounds nice. So this is the kick on Bitwig using the V0 Zap kick and FX Grid. Super easy, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial. So give a like, send me a comment what you think about this series, and if you have any questions, just let me know. So see you in the next video.